Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best dash cam on AliExpress. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We rank the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, the I-Carview II adopts 10-inch IPS Ultra HD screen, provides you with a high-definition view. The sensitive touch screen with clear operation interface allows you to easily change settings with the tap of your finger, match your busy lifestyle. With only a glimpse at the 10-inch touch screen, you can check the traffic situation and take control immediately. The sensitive screen with clear operation interface allows you to easily change settings with the tap of your finger, match your busy lifestyle. With real 1080 pixel Full HD front camera and IP67 water-resistant rear camera, CarView II create a high-quality and smooth video day and night in any weather conditions. Capture every important details you need. Front and rear camera both are the 170-degree wide-angle lens provide 340-degree protection around your car without blind spot. Built-in high-sensitive G sensor with collision protection, CarView II provide 24-hour reliable and stable monitoring, keep your vehicle safe. Full HD 1080 pixel front camera records at 30 frames a second, clearly record license plates and street signs when you driving. With the support of the rear camera, you are given a pair of clear, expansive perspectives to record 720 pixel HD rear video on your driving trips. CarView II is able to display a clear image while driving in the rain thanks to its water-resistant rear camera, allowing it to be installed on the outside of the vehicle without worrying about malfunctioning or having visibility issues. You can also mount it on the rear windshield that protects the rear of the vehicle. Number 4. Brand name, OBD Peak. Combine the optional rear cam. Every important detail in the front or rear of the vehicle can be recorded clearly to provide irrefutable video evidence or capture the landscape along your journey with cinema-quality video. In front vision recording mode, the maximum resolution is 3840 × 2160. In dual vision recording mode, the maximum resolution for front and rear view will be 3840 × 2160 and 1920 × 1080 respectively. Achieve stunning video and vivid, clear images even in low light conditions using a 3D dynamic noise reduction tech, f1.6 aperture lens and a smart algorithm that significantly reduces image noise and automatically adjusts the exposure balance. No network is necessary to connect your smartphone with M63S. It seamlessly connects using its own Wi-Fi for full instant access to stored videos. The dash cam also acts as a digital camera, controlled with your phone to capture any picture or view along your route. Share memories of every special road trip fast and easy online. In an emergency, just swipe your hand under the machine, and the recorder will automatically take the current scene. OBD Peak Dual Lens records video at the same time and saves it in TF card. You can view it in DVR, or connect with mobile app to view. You can also view video in computer. With M63S 4K dashcam, the protection doesn't stop when you leave your car. After parking, the parking mode is automatically activated. Using a 3-axis gravity sensor, A800 can detect any hit-and-run collision and immediately begin recording to capture valuable video evidence. Number 3. Brand name, EACE. Split screen designed to switch front and rear view recording, big screen and clearly and easily to check rear view. Touch screen to switch to front camera, back camera. 10-inch touchscreen, more convenient to operate. You can vary fast operation of the car camera, so that you are safer in driving. Flexible front camera, 3 cm longer, can be adjustable, can also adjust the lens up and down and left and right. And 6 glass HD lens, through the most, too dark, the screen of the active exposure adjustment, which is more detailed picture details, the image clearer. Higher quality images help to identify vital details such as license plates, driver actions and road features which may prove your innocence. Number 2. Brand name, OBD Peak 12-inch panoramic streaming IPS touchscreen. In the process of driving, you can not only see the complete and clear back road 3-car road conditions, but also include more road scenery. Front camera captures full high-definition 1080-pixel video. Wide dynamic range allows the camera to perform optimally in any lighting situation by adjusting the exposure to create balanced images and footage. Front and rear camera 2 channels are recording simultaneously. They could be running in the background, even extinguish the screen or moving on the GPS navigation. DVR can operate normally between -50°C and +80°C, and we have undergone rigorous testing. Number 1. Brand name, Zeit. The camera chip has a built-in night vision processing function, which allows you to record video even in low-light environment. You can adjust the appropriate angle of view by long pressing the screen and moving your finger up and down. You can switch views by swiping your finger left or right. It contains 3 views, front view, rear view, front and rear view. With this thoughtful Zeit front lens design, you no longer have to worry about the rain sensor touching the DVR's field of view. When the car is reversing, the device automatically switches to the rear camera image view through a 10-inch full mirror screen. It comes with high-quality images that help identify important details such as license plates, driver movements and road functions that may prove your innocence. Automatically overwrite the previous recordings with new files except locked files when the memory card is full. G-sensor can lock up current DVR recording during critical moments, thus protecting your high-quality recordings. If DVR be shocked by any external forces like a thief while parking, its parking mode function will turn on to recording automatically. Time-lapse video can be continuously recorded for 24 hours, more secure and convenient. Upgrade both 1080-pixel backup camera and long camera cable. Our unique 10 meters back camera cable help you solve the short camera cable issue when installation. Both 1080-pixel front and 1080-pixel backup camera provide great video quality. No longer worry about not seeing clearly other license plates. Real-time transmission of images, full screen view. The mirror dash cam with wide-angle lens eliminates blind spots.